Hey folks, you might not realize this, but a running toilet can cost you anywhere from $20 to $40 a month on your water bill. So that's up to $480, but what you also don't realize is on your sewer bill also gets factored into your water bill. That could be double. So easily, the cost of your toilet running can actually cost you more in 1 year than if you put in a brand new toilet. Of course, if you can change the components, it would be substantially less than that. But regardless, you should always fix your running toilets. Now, some people don't know if they have a running toilet. It's super easy to test for. Get some food dye, get some clothing dye, drop it in the tank, wait a few minutes. If you see dye in your bowl, that means the water's running out of your tank into your bowl. You have a running toilet, and that can be costing you $1,000, $2,000 a year, maybe more. Change your toilet, folks.